Okay, so the week commencing the 4th of November, um, unlike any other week, Yankee election basically. So obviously the fucking Jews are gonna fucking beat the shit out of this. Basically, they use this opportunity to, because it's a big event, the election result. They can manipulate it a lot because guess what? Oh, it was the election that caused the volatility, right? Perfect excuse. Like any other news event, just a lot more volatile, basically. Okay. Not that it would change anything, okay? Not that it would change anything. We're still looking for a bullish dollar, a risk off scenario with previous monthly and this level they've been looking at now for some time. My confidence still here. I'm still bullish. Definitely this here. Why I wouldn't see that as a shift in market structure lower? Well, narrative doesn't change, okay? We're staying inside of this hard time frame weekly, basically body wise, above the mean threshold. If you look at the weekly, that's even more um, you know, bullish close here. Look at this, like the body was like nothing basically, and it just rejected all of this and never even went below the last quarter. Um, and also the daily order block. So, that's still telling me this thing. This is just basically could be just engineering liquidity um, up here and also taking sell side liquidity out, carrying long orders here to go here and here. Okay, so risk off on this one would be weekly BISI, right? So you did stay below the BISI, the inverted CB. Sorry, I was thinking we may stop here, but we went a little bit higher, but it's fine. Body wise, we're still way below, and this BISI as well. Okay, you have this monthly low, this this BISI, small Pirelli gap here and a low here. Again, election week could be a very volatile week, as you can see. Monday lackluster, but this Monday actually might be very difficult and challenging to trade because it's literally the day right before the election result. I literally have no solution basically. I've never actually really dealt with an election. How does it move? I don't know. I may go back, but this could be, really different than the last time because 5 years is a long time. Things can change, right? So it remains to be seen basically what happens. Also, to make matters worse, I'm traveling, so not gonna be able to look at the charts for a prolonged period of time. Um, my key advice is whether I trade or not is irrelevant. If I should I decide to engage, risk would obviously be half because I'm not in my prime basically, my usual monitors and everything. I'd rather just I just want to half risk it because I may not be able to manage it all the time. Now, also another thing is, regardless of what happens, you trade or not, do not abandon the habit, the dogma, the regiment of coming at the end of the day, labeling the chart, studying the daily range. Okay, the entire reason I'm at this level of trading I am right now is by studying the daily range every single fucking day and noting the characteristics to see what you thought was going to happen, to what degree did it or did it not occur. Like that was a cheat code for me. Just that simple exercise of reading the daily range in detail, session by session, minute by minute candle, you know, a lot of the times even recording as I'm reading it. So man, that fucking pushed me through the moon. That definitely do that. Okay, trading irrelevant. I'm not really interested. Okay, especially this week anyway. Once things settle down, I'll be back in my half risk. I'll study it. Obviously, I'm probably gonna miss most of the trades. I'll be honest, because I'll be outside, doing adventures and enjoying my holiday. But once I do come back at the end of the day, I'm gonna go ahead and study the range, note the expectations I have down, and yeah, we'll go from there. Weekly charts again, no guarantee. I won't be able to do the recorded without the software here, Bandicam, but I'll just put it in my note basically in my journal. We have that, okay. Um, but yeah, it's just gonna be a very unique week basically in terms of movement. So election, then after that, not much news. Thursday, you have the Bank of England interest rate that's volatile, manipulation. Again, Fed rate decision, press conference. Yep, that's gonna be, again, before that you often see price action just dwindling and just slowing down. So it would be very ugly actually right before it. So again, you're basically not gonna miss out anything in this week. It's muddy, So just take it easy. Do not abandon the daily ice tape reading, okay? And then yeah, come back stronger, inshallah. Thank you.